This video serves as a supplement to in-person election officer training by the Fairfax County Office of Elections. It is to be used as a job aid in setting up and closing down voting machines on Election Day. In no form should this video be used as a substitution for formal training provided by the county. From the lever system to punch cards to DREs, the landscape of voting technology has changed over the last few decades. Fairfax County's acquisition of the DS200 digital scanner and ExpressVote represent the newest form of voting technology, digital scan voting. Advancements in voting technology have improved the integrity and fairness of the election process and provided election officers with tools to perform their job with confidence. The DS200 digital scanner and ExpressVote increase accessibility and maintain the integrity, confidentiality, and accountability of the election process. The DS200 digital scanner enables voters to mark their ballot with a pen and insert the marked ballot into the scanner where it is tabulated and secured in the ballot box. This system ensures ballots are read accurately and alerts voters if their ballot is blank, overvoted, or mismarked. As an election officer, you will find the DS200 digital scanner to be intuitive and easy to set up and close down on Election Day. To ensure the integrity of the election process, it is important for two election officers to perform each step as outlined in these modules. Use the silver key to unlock and open the auxiliary compartment. Once opened, inspect the inside of the compartment to confirm it is empty. Then close and relock the compartment. Unlock and open the ballot compartment using the silver key. Remove the blue ballot security case and confirm the inside of the compartment is empty. Open the security case and verify it is also empty. Then close the case and place it back inside the compartment. Next, open the security case so the lids rest on the inside of the compartment. This will allow scanned ballots to fall into the case. Then close and relock the ballot compartment. Now that the front of the ballot box is set up, the DS200 is ready to receive power. The power cord to the DS200 is located in the power cord compartment. Use the silver key to unlock and open the compartment. To ensure the DS200 is receiving power, use the extension cord and power strip provided by the Office of Elections. Make sure the silver metal bar is in the down position and remember to leave the power cord compartment open while the polls are open. Now that the ballot box is set up and the DS200 is receiving power, it is time to open the DS200. The DS200 is easy to set up. Verify the green seal securing the ballot box lid matches the number on the designated envelope and statement of results. Then cut the seal and place it in the envelope. Use the silver key to unlock and open the ballot box lid. Unhook both latches and flip up and out to lift the lid. Use the black barrel key to unlock and open the DS200 screen. Lift and raise the screen to an upright position. The DS200 powers on and boots up automatically. As the DS200 powers on, verify the red tamper seal on the access door matches the number on the statement of results. Once the DS200 has fully powered on and initialized, it is ready to set up for voting. Use the touchscreen on the DS200 to perform all on-screen steps. The touchscreen makes it easy for election officers to enter information and review and print reports. Begin by entering the election security code. To avoid inadvertent entries, one election officer should enter the election security code while another officer watches. Next, touch Accept to print the configuration report. On the screen, verify the election and precinct number and name are correct and the DS200 is receiving power. Touch Open Poll to print the zero totals report. When the report is finished printing, two election officers confirm all contests are zero, then tear off and sign the report. Attach both the configuration report and zero totals report to the statement of results. On the screen, verify the public count is zero and the protective count matches the designated envelope. At 6 o'clock a.m., touch Go to Voting Mode. The DS200 is now ready to receive ballots. Perform these steps only if the auxiliary compartment was used to store voted ballots on Election Day. Use the silver key to unlock and open the auxiliary compartment. Remove any unscanned ballots from the compartment and insert them into the DS200. If a ballot cannot be scanned, set it aside for hand counting on the statement of results. Then close and relock the auxiliary compartment. Once all ballots are secure, it is time to close the polls on the DS200. Begin by recording the public and protective count numbers on the designated envelope and statement of results. Touch the summary icon on the screen and record the number of printed ballots and ballot cards scanned on the statement of results. Remove the red tamper seal from the access door and place it on back of the envelope. Use the black barrel key to unlock and open the access door. Then press the Close Poll button. The screen reads, "You have chosen to close the poll for this voting device." Touch Close Poll to print 3 copies of the voting results report. For general and special elections, election officers need to verify and record write-in votes on the statement of results. Please remember that primary elections have no write-ins. Start by touching the write-in icon at the top right corner of the screen. Use the write-in counter at the top center of the screen to track the number of write-in ballots that were cast. Use the up and down arrows on the right side of the screen to navigate through the front and back of each ballot. Use the previous and next arrows at the bottom of the screen to advance through write-in ballots. Examine write-in ballot images and enter write-in names on the statement of results. Once all write-in ballot images are examined, touch Exit. Before removing the machine tapes and memory device, verify that the screen reads, "This voting device has been successfully closed for voting." 2 election officers tear off and sign all 3 copies of the voting results report. Touch Finished, Turn Off, and wait for the DS200 to power off. When the light on the power button goes out, remove the memory device and place in the designated envelope. Close and relock the access door. Perform these steps only if there are ballots that could not be scanned by the DS200 on Election Day. Count the number of ballots that could not be scanned and enter the total number of hand-counted ballots on the statement of results. Review each hand-counted ballot and enter the candidate and corresponding results on the statement of results. When finished, Place all hand-counted ballots into the blue ballot security case after it is removed from the ballot compartment. Use the silver key to unlock and open the ballot compartment. Close the blue ballot security case by closing the right lid first, then left, so the lids interlock. Use the strap handle to pull the security case out of the compartment. Verify the compartment is empty, then close and relock the ballot compartment. Use the silver key to lock the top, front, and back of security case. Then secure the case with a red seal and record the number on the designated envelope. All election officers sign the yellow number 3 counted ballots label. Place the label on top of the security case. Now that all ballots are accounted for, the DS200 and ballot box are ready to be secured. Unplug the power cord from the power strip, then unplug the power strip from the outlet. Return the power strip to the canvas bag and rewrap the power cord and place back inside the power cord compartment. Use the silver key to close and relock the compartment. Next, close the DS200 screen and use the black barrel key to relock it. Close the ballot box lid and rehook lid latches. Use the silver key to relock the ballot box lid. Secure the ballot box lid with a red seal and record the number on the designated envelope and statement of results. The DS200 and ballot box are now closed and secure. The ExpressVote combines paper-based voting with touchscreen technology. The ExpressVote is an ADA-compliant device that enables voters with special needs the ability to cast their ballot unassisted. Marking a ballot with the ExpressVote can be done using the touchscreen or keypad, which includes Braille. Both options can be used with an audio ballot. The ExpressVote acts as a pen, populating an internal ballot card based on the selections made by voters. After voters are finished making their selections, the ExpressVote prints out the voter's marked ballot card, which the voter then inserts into the DS200. As an election officer, you will find the ExpressVote to be simple, compact, and easy to set up and close down on Election Day. The ExpressVote is stored in a black padded carrying case inside the voting machine cart. Place the carrying case on the designated table and provide a chair for voters. Remove the ExpressVote, headphones, and keypad from the main compartment of the carrying case. You will find the power cord and power brick for the ExpressVote in the side compartment of the case. To ensure the ExpressVote is receiving power, plug the power cord into the power strip, then plug the other end of the power cord into the power connection port on the back of the ExpressVote. Insert the power cord until you hear a click. Now the ExpressVote is ready to be powered on. Before turning on the ExpressVote, lift out and extend the metal prop bar. Position the ExpressVote so it rests in an upright position and at a slight angle. Avoid direct overhead lighting. Use the black barrel key to unlock and open the access door on the left side of the ExpressVote. Next, verify the keypad is plugged into the keypad port. Place headphones and keypad on the table so they are accessible for voters. Then, verify the mode switch is set to voter. Lastly, flip the power switch to on. Be patient. It takes about 3 minutes for the ExpressVote to power on and boot up. Once the ExpressVote has fully powered on and initialized, it is ready to be activated. Use the touch screen on the ExpressVote to perform all on-screen steps. The touch screen makes it easy for election officers to enter information. Begin by entering the election security code. To avoid inadvertent entries, one election officer should enter the election security code while another officer watches. Touch Accept. Verify the election, precinct number, and name are correct and the ExpressVote is receiving power. Touch OK and position keypad cord so it threads through the circular opening on top of the access door. Then close and relock the access door. Now place a privacy booth around ExpressVote and position the screen so it is facing away from public view. The ExpressVote is now ready for use. To close the ExpressVote at the end of the day, remove the ExpressVote from the privacy booth. Then use the black barrel key to unlock and open the access door. Flip the power switch to off. Be patient. It takes about 3 minutes for the ExpressVote to power down. Unlike the DS200, do not remove the memory device from the ExpressVote. Position the keypad cord so it threads through the circular opening on top of the access door. Then close and relock the access door. Position the ExpressVote so it rests in an upright position on its base. Close the metal prop bar on the back of the ExpressVote. Unplug the power cord from the power connection port by pulling the release latch. Unplug the power cord from the power strip. Then unplug the power strip from the outlet. Return the power strip to canvas bag. Place the ExpressVote, headphones, and keypad into the main compartment of black padded carrying case. Then place power cord and power brick back into the side compartment of case. Return the carrying case and the privacy booth to the voting machine cart. The ExpressVote is now closed and secure. Being an election officer is more than just a civic responsibility. It is a vital role in ensuring Fairfax County provides an open, fair, and efficient election process for voters.